What's up? You checking out the frequent flyer, and as you can see, we have another package here for unboxing. We got the double bladed bat knife on deck. Okay, so right away we know this thing is from Banggood. So it's from Eachine, and it's the Tyro99. So we got some stickers. We got everything neatly packed in here. We have the motors. These are 2206, 2150 kV. We got the side frame in here. We have a battery strap from Eachine. We got some zip ties. We have an adapter here for the antenna, the VTX antenna. We have an XT60 and other various plugs. We got a Pagoda 2 antenna, unbranded though. The whole frame is neatly packed in here. We have a bag with carbon fiber tools. These are carbon fiber wrenches here. Bunch of bar blades there. I guess this here is just a novelty. Here we have an AK-47 carbon fiber. We got a bunch of screws and nuts in here. We have a bottom plate for the battery. And we have some foam grips for the battery as well. We have some heat shrink for the arms to keep the motor wires tight to the arms. We have a camera here. I'm a little late getting this, so I do know enough from watching other people's videos that this is probably the low point of this build here. This is a CMOS camera, so we're probably going to want to swap that out for a CCD cam. We have the FC stack and ESCs here. We have this capacitor pre-soldered on to the power leads there. And last but not least, we have this 40 channel VTX. Check it out. So not really much to show besides what I just showed you guys about this build here. The next time you guys see this, it'll be put together. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see yet another build of this. Because I've seen so many builds of this Tyro99. So let me know in the comments if you guys just want to see this thing in the air, or would you also like another build video of this thing? And thanks for watching.